Hey everyone, welcome to the Storytime playlist of Shuta's Universe. Storytime art videos are something new that I have decided to start on my channel. In Storytime videos, you will see me draw something or painting something in the background, and I will talk to you about something. It doesn't necessarily have to be a story. Maybe I'll share with you some ideas, experiences, or funny things that have happened in my life. So this is my first attempt of story time. Please let me know what do you think about it. In this video, I will tell you 9 reasons why you should start an art YouTube channel in 2021. If you like to draw and paint or create any kind of artworks, in my opinion, you should definitely start an art YouTube channel. And now I'm gonna explain to you exactly why should you do so, no matter what level are you in. If you can create good artworks already, then you can teach or just show your process to a lot of people. If you are a complete beginner, then don't worry. You can learn from other artists' videos and try what you have learned, film it when you are trying, and upload them. Gradually, you will see your improvement. And a lot of people can be your companion into this journey through your improvement. So you can start a YouTube channel from whatever level you are in right now. The first reason that I wanna tell you is to improve your art. The word improvement is always followed by the word practice. In order to improve, you need to practice and practice a lot. If you start an art YouTube channel, you will be motivated to make more artworks and on a regular basis. And believe me, that will help you to improve your artwork a lot. Reason number 2. By starting a channel, you can make amazing use of your time during this quarantine. These days, we need to stay home as much as we can for our own safety or for the safety of our families. But staying home constantly for a long time can be a lot difficult task for some people. If you start a channel, you have to give it a lot of your time, so you will be busy doing something productive, and this is an ideal thing to do from home. You need to create artworks and film them, then edit the videos and upload them. You have to continuously learn and grow your channel, upgrade your channel, so you will be a busy person. And being busy is a lot better than being bored. Number 3, you will be able to display your art in front of a huge audience and for free. I know it takes time to build that audience, but good things take time, right? And the best part is you don't need to pay or spend any money for this. You can start with whatever you have right now. You can use the art materials that you already have, and you can film with your phone camera. You don't even need a tripod to start with. I didn't have one when I started. Number 4. Be motivated to create more artworks. Once you start a channel and decide to keep it running, you will discover yourself creating more artworks than before in order to be able to upload that on your channel. And this can never be a bad thing. Number 5. Learn new things. When you start a channel, you will be curious about others that have an art channel also. You will want to learn new things for your channel to grow and to improve your work. Most likely you will end up watching other artists' videos on YouTube, and from most of them you will learn something. You will get to know about art materials that you haven't used before, and you'll get to know about new art styles. Maybe get a lot of ideas and inspirations. You will even get ideas about what kind of videos you can create for your channel. Number 6. Knowing that you are not alone. There are a lot others. In some point of our lives, we all may be disappointed or think my works are not going anywhere, I have no future with it. You may even think that nobody is like you or nobody does what you are doing, especially if what you are doing is not a common thing in the society. When you start a channel, you will find out that there are a lot of people like you. There is a community of people who are making artworks and filming and uploading the videos. Some of them are complete beginners and still learning. Some of them are professionals. So you will never feel alone on the field again. Number 7. Grow your confidence. Starting a YouTube channel can help you grow your confidence by a lot. If you are doing voiceovers on your videos, then you are definitely going to gain confidence about how you talk. If you are a non-native English speaker like me, you will find yourself talking more and more compared to your earliest videos. Not only that, you will be more confident creating artworks also. And most importantly, showing your artworks to the whole world. This takes confidence and this will definitely grow confidence. Number 8. To make money from YouTube. If you are considering starting a YouTube channel, then you probably already know that you can make money from YouTube. This is another point that can take a lot of time and patience, but you know that if you can continue your channel, then it's totally worth it. For your channel to be monetized, you will have to have 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time, and you cannot use a copyrighted item on your channel. For some people, it can be their first income, though it takes time, but when it happens, it's definitely a good thing. I think number 9 is the most important of them all. To decrease anxiety and depression. Nowadays, a lot of people seem to be suffering from anxiety and depression than before. And a lot of them are young people. No matter what your age is, creating artworks or doing anything creative can help you decrease the level of your anxiety and depression. Drawing and painting can help you reduce the level of stress and refresh your mind. Most importantly, being busy with something creative can improve your mental health a lot. You don't need to take my word for it, just try for yourself. And yeah, that was it. These are the 9 reasons that I think to be important. These are completely my own opinions and experiences. You can disagree with any of the points that I have mentioned. Also, if you are watching my video and you come up with other reasons, please feel free to share with me in the comments. If you are going to start a channel, whether it's about art or anything else, then I wish the very best of luck for you. It will be really great for me to know if anyone gets motivated even a little bit by watching this video. So let me know. I am also eager to know your opinions about my new storytime videos. Let me know if you like the idea. And if you are still watching, then thank you very much for watching my video. If you like it, then please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Shruta's Universe.